I always knew I wanted to get a master's degree. I felt I needed to get into the workforce and get some experience to help me know what master's program would work the best for me. I've been really trying to step into more of a leadership role within my organization. A huge benefit to the A&M distance learning programs is that they're informed by industry, so you get practical knowledge that you can use immediately. I travel a lot for work. I'm away from home quite a bit, so being able to go at my own pace online was crucial. The professors within my program were very accessible, so we had office hours weekly. Some even provided their phone numbers for direct text messages or calls if we had any questions about coursework. I have firsthand experience with how powerful the Aggie network can be. That's a big draw for me when looking at universities for the program I eventually chose. I feel confident that earning this degree has prepared me for the next steps in my career and beyond.